Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Selenium training. In this session we are going to see how to handle alerts. This is very basic and important concept to handle alerts. Each and every page will have alerts. So if you want to proceed your testing, you definitely have to close the alerts or you have to interact with that alert and tell the system what you should do, right? So skipping these alerts and handling these alerts is very important to enter into a page and then do your testing, right? So what is this alert basically? There are different types of alerts. We are going to see this quickly. If you want to jump to an example, just forward the video so that you can uh, get into the real-time example. Okay, but if you want some basic understanding, just stay here with me. So what is an alert? Alert is a small window on a web page which is dis displayed to capture your agreement or disagreement. And alerts are displayed with message and conditions like OK and cancel or just OK or simple or input text to enter and OK, right? So if you can see here, there are three types of alerts. One is simple alert, prompt alert, confirmation alert. So simple alert just displays message and OK, which you are seeing at the center. It which just contains an OK and some message. And prompt alert displays the text box and OK and cancel. Here you are taking a decision whether to proceed or to leave. Okay, that's the reason here OK and cancel buttons are present. And the confirmation alert, you can confirm by giving your input in the form of a message. Here if you see this example, write your name and a text box and OK and cancel. You can type something whatever you need. Either you can click on OK or cancel to proceed as per your interest. Next, how do you switch to this alert? You cannot directly inspect these elements. These elements are not inspectable because this is a small window which is an alert window, and Selenium has an alert class where you can implement this using some different methods: accept, dismiss, and get text. So you have to use this syntax first to handle the alert. You have to switch to the alert. So you might have seen an example of how to switch to a frames. Same syntax you will be using here. If you haven't seen the concept of switching to frames, I'll be giving the I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can see that. So same procedure we are doing here, the same procedure, just that we are switching to the alert. And it has three methods. If you want to handle OK, or if you want to click on OK, you will use accept. And if you want to click on cancel, you will use dismiss. And if you want to get the text, so sometimes your application demands to test whether the correct message is displayed on the alert or not. So to test that kind of features, you will be using get text of, which will give the exact text that is displayed on the alert. Okay. So to let's go to an example and see how it works. So before that, you can go to this documentation of Selenium, official documentation. I'll be giving this link in the description box. Just go through here. You can see alert and you can read about the alert. So for our practice, we will be using this website, the internet herokuapp.com, and I'll be giving this in the description box. So you can see here there will be one link called JavaScript alerts. So there are three alerts displayed here as we discussed: simple alert, prompt alert, confirmation alert. So if I click on this button, it will display me a simple alert with OK button. And if I click on this, it will be giving a prompt alert. Sorry, it's a confirmation alert which will give either OK or cancel, where you can confirm your agreement. Okay. And okay, and prompt alert which will give you some text. Just I wanted to type knowledge share and click on OK. Okay, and you can see the message knowledge share is present here. And if you click on this and click on cancel, you can see you clicked cancel. Okay, if I click on OK, it will say you clicked on OK. And for the first one, see, you successfully clicked on alert. So these messages we can even validate after performing something on alert, right? So let's quickly jump to an example by opening Eclipse, and then we'll do some practical handling of these kind of alerts. So just give me a minute. Let me open my Eclipse. Okay, let me create a class here. New class, alerts example. Let me include public static void main, and I'll be using my old code to open the browser, all those syntaxes to save some of your time. And I'll be taking this page. I'll be directly giving this link here. So first we are going to handle the simple alert, right? So let me put here simple alert. Okay. So as I said, what is the syntax you have to use? Alert is equal to driver.switchTo alert, right? So let's write that syntax. Alert is an object. You can give any name. Driver.switchTo.alert. Okay. So before that, what we have to do, we have to click on this button, right? Because only when we click on this button, you can get the alert. So for that, what we have to do before simple alert, we have to click on this button, right? So let's inspect this element. So this is in a button, right? So let me write XPath button text is equal to click for JS alert. Yeah, only one element is found. So I'll write driver dot find element of by dot XPath. So I'll copy my XPath dot click, right? So once I click on this button, then my alert will present, right? So this statement will switch to my alert. Okay, so you can see here you can import the alert package from this openqa.selenium. So once you do this, you can do alert.accept, because what I want to do after clicking this button, I need to click on OK, right? So now let me run this program and see what happens. So I did not write a code for maximize, but still it works. Observe carefully what it's doing. See, it's bit faster. You didn't see that. Okay, you can see the alert box. So you successfully clicked on alert message is displayed, right? Now let's take the another example. What is the next one? Confirmation alert, right? So let me write here confirmation alert. Okay, so for now let me comment this. And now what I have to do, I have to inspect this element for clicking on this. So I'll inspect this. So what is the element? What is the text here? Click for JS confirm, right? So let me write it here. Text is equal to this one. So this is my XPath. So let me include it here. Driver dot find element of by dot XPath of dot click. Okay. Now this is a confirmation alert. So in this confirmation alert, the same way you can handle it using alert, but this time what I have to do is I wanted to get a text what is displayed here. I want to get this text. I am a JS confirm. I want to get this text. So how to get the text? Simply we have to do take one string variable alert message. I'll declare it as alert message is equal to, you can do it in two ways. Firstly, you can declare an alert is equal to new alert of, okay, alert is equal to driver dot switch to dot alert, Okay, next what I have to do, I have to get the text, right? So string alert message is equal to alert dot see get text of, right? Now I will print the text. Alert message displayed is, okay, we will try to get the value this I am a JS confirm, right? So let me print this alert message here, and then after getting this message I want to click on OK. So I'll click on alert.accept, right? Now let me run this program. See, it appeared, right? You clicked OK, right? And also you can see the message here. Alert message displayed is I am a JS confirm. Okay, that means successfully we read the alert message and we have also seen the result here. Okay, that means what is happening here in some cases, in some applications, you have to validate the alert message and you have to test your application. So for that purpose, this confirmation alert handling is important. Now let's switch to another type of alert. What is the another type of alert? It's a prompt alert, right? So when I click on this button, it will be asking for a text and then either I can click on OK or cancel. For now, I want to enter knowledge share, okay, and click on OK. When I click on that, it will be appearing my message as you entered knowledge share. Okay, so I want to validate this message as well. So we can do that. Let me show you how to do that. Prompt alert. Okay, so the same procedure, what we have to do, we have to inspect this element and we have to identify this by XPath. Very simple. You can watch my previous videos to learn about how to get XPaths. JS prompt. Okay. Driver dot find element of by dot xpath of dot click. Okay. Now I want to click on this and then enter some message, right? So how to do that? Again, create an alert. Alert is equal to new, sorry, driver dot switch to dot alert and alert dot send keys of. So for how you have driver dot send keys, in the same way alert dot send keys of, I want to send knowledge share. Okay, so knowledge share and then click on OK, right? So alert dot accept. Now let me run this program. So you can see here it's already clicked on this and entered knowledge share and you can see this message, right? Now I want to validate whether the message is displayed correctly or not. So I'll right click on this, inspect, and then I'll select this and see, you can see it is in a P tag. So control F P, and I'll take this text is equal to this complete text. Okay, and I'll be storing it in one text string message is equal to, or you can say this is a result, right? So I'll be writing result is equal to some text. uh, yeah, I'll be entering this one first. I'll be storing this and I'll be confirming with the actual thing, right? So now what I'll do, driver dot find element of by dot xpath of, okay, I'll be picking up this xpath, paste here, and I'll say dot is displayed. That means it will tell us that whether this result message is correct or not. So as we are using is displayed, we have to use boolean to store some value, right? Boolean correct is, I'll say is result correct is equal to driver.findElement of this. Now I'll validate this boolean value. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's not do that. We already have XPath, right? So I'll compare the text here and the stored value. So I'll say if, and I'll store the value from the web page also, result, and I'll call this as expected. Okay, and I'll call this as actual result is equal to driver dot find element of by dot xpath of, okay, sorry, I'll be using this xpath. Okay, I'll be giving here, and I'll be storing this here. One second, let me see what is the error. Driver dot find element of by dot xpath of, okay, okay, dot get text of, we have to get value, right? So get text of, and then we will be comparing this expected result and actual result. So I'll say actual, if actual result dot equals ignore case of expected result, then I'll say I'll print a message actual result is displayed correctly, or expected result is displayed correctly. Else what I'll say, expected result is not displayed correctly, then I can fail my test case, right? So we will discuss in detail about test cases in other sessions. For now we are just validating a message, right? Now let me run this program. Let me close this browser, both browsers, and let me run this now. So it should get the text also, and it should print it in the console. See, you entered knowledge share, and you can see expected result is displayed correctly. If I enter another text, then it fails, right? So instead of knowledge share, let me here I entered knowledge share, right? So instead of knowledge share, I enter something and I'll try to validate. Let's see what happens. It will never find that text because it's not there, right? See, it failed the text because no such element, unable to locate element. So at what line it triggered this error? See alerts example, right? Click on this link, you'll be navigated to this. So you can see this XPath is not present and the test case failed. So that way you can validate as per your requirement for validating the messages on a web page, right? So this is about prompt alert. So you can practice this. When you are practicing, you can simply uncomment this and you can practice these examples. Okay, I'll be giving the code in the description box, as well as I'll be pushing into the repository. You can take from there for practice. Okay, so that's all for now, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.